Good morning, remote learners. We hope you had a great weekend. You're ready to go for Monday, September the 14th. Today is a PE day for your special. We'll get you all connected through Canvas, we hope, today. So be ready for some great exercise today with PE. I want to share this week about Second Step. This is our social emotional learning curriculum. It helps us have a very positive school climate. We need your help to keep everything going as smooth and positive as possible. Everyone gets to use Second Step. In kindergarten through third grade, you'll have a puppet and some big cards to talk through. In fourth and fifth grade, you'll have a binder with some video clips and posters. And in sixth grade, everything's digital, so you'll see it all online. There are several skills that we want to cover today. We're going to talk about skills for learning. Then later on we'll talk about empathy, emotion management, and problem solving. Today, in skills for learning, we want to talk about the ability to listen, to focus our attention, to follow directions, to use positive self-talk, and be assertive. Your teachers will be covering each of these in lessons coming up, but we hope that you're practicing these skills. I was in several kindergarten classrooms last week, and they were learning to use their attendoscopes, being really focusing on their attention. They were practicing listening ears, they were being assertive and being patient to raise their hands and wait, and they were using really positive self-talk to ignore distractions that are all around you in this remote environment. We need your help to practice these skills for learning. Remote learners, we're so excited to practice these skills for learning. Overall, we want you to be here, be you, and know that you belong, because this remote learning environment belongs to all of us. Hope you have a great day learning, friends. We'll talk soon.